Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to my brand new channel. I'm Priyanshu, a finance student who's been diving deep into the crypto world for the past 5 years. You might be wondering why you should listen to me. Well, I've spent countless hours learning and analyzing the crypto market. I've made my fair share of mistakes and learned from them. Now, I want to share that knowledge with you. This channel is all about crypto. From the basics to advanced strategies, I've got you covered. Here's a sneak peek of what you can expect: crypto fundamentals, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management strategies, coin spotlights, daily market updates, hunting for hidden gems, futures trading demystified, multiple earning methods, and much more. I hope you'll find my content informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's build a strong community together. Thanks for watching.